Hello guys, Pulak Kumar here. Welcome to our channel Problem Solver team. Today we are going to start about delta dvp-10 I will see delta PLC in practical. This is delta PLC here. We usually do logic circuit and various type of work. Now I have got delta PLC dvp-10 series. We will see how this work practically now. This is dvp-10 series. This terminal, this section power, run and error battery low. Power section to be active in 24 volt DC. Then green light is on. And run section is open, this green light. This run mode will be prepared when I press this knob, stop and run. When I press run, then run section is blinking green light. And error section, another fault in this PLC and this programming in error is red LED blinking, then battery low. Now this battery here, this battery is low, this LED is blinking. Then input section and output, this PLC, this analog input output and this section digital input output. I will discuss this analog section another video. This digital section input output, this terminal input section, this terminal output section. This input section digital input, it x0 to x3, this total 4 input section. This section optical number system and this maximum input 128 and this SS port, this active input section and this output section, this two digital output Y0 and Y1. This output section activate this common pin. This type is relay type. Now another port, this RS232 and RS485, this combination port. Now this section RS485, this communication modbus, communication by VFD, PLC and HMI etc. another communication, this port. Now this power section in PLC 2401 and ground, this DC power supply and another port. Now this manual, this PLC model dvp-10SX11R. R means relay type. This is value of model, power 20 volt DC and output 1.5 ampere and 250 volt AC. This operate PLC. Now this board we can upload PC to PLC and PLC to PC program, download programming and upload this board. Now I connect this cable in PC to PLC. This cable connect this PLC. This connect this PLC and display input output value here and cable outside PC input and compile, upload and simulate this program PLC, run logic circuit, anything. This PLC programming language, instruction list, letter diagram and SFC. Now I programming letter diagram this easily. Thank you.